Busy sila. It's hot day. Super hot. Wow, there's an airplane. Oh, it's super hot. It's getting more hotter and hotter and hotter. There's butterfly. Hello guys, you can talk to me. This is Warike and nature's free nature. This is called nature. So guys, that's how it looks like, the bamboo. OMG. It's so hot outside. The mangoes there of our neighbor. Oh, a Filipina. Huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa, ipakita ang iyong mukha. Grabe. Inantok ako. Kasi 12 na akong tulog kagabi. Or mga 1. Let's see how the difference of the natures. It's like dark and it's bright. So dark and bright and dark. Oh, the wind. The wind blows hard. The wind blows. Super relaxing nature, guys. The wind is hard because I think there's bagyo. Huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Hi guys, welcome to my show. I'm done eating. You see, the title is Let's Eat, but I'm done eating. It's just like about an hour ago. Hey, you can talk. You can ask questions. You can say hello and say hi. Hi. Hello. It's nice to see you again. I know you are a friend of mine, but this is all we ever could be. Tell me things that never. Oh my God! Look at the white Wow, it's so nice. Oh my God. Unlike kanina, guys, it's not there pa, diba? Look at it now. It's going to up the clouds, the white clouds. Are really beautiful. How nature's really beautiful. We see, guys, from far afar. And then it's going closer like this. Oh, the wind. It's so hard. Look at the trees, guys. It's waving too much. Oh, there's bird. This